All right, YouTube viewers all around the world.
Down a dirt road where the tall pines stand lives Animal Dad with his whole wild band. Animal Dad on a homestead, hey! Chickens roaming, kitties play, ducks in the pond, Ringo garden good, welcome home in the woods.
We're back for another blizzard. Another fun blizzard video. And we're actually going to complete a chore task that was not completed in our earlier blizzard video, which is getting a support pole underneath the catio over here. Wasn't really sure what to do. Never came up with a good idea for clearing the snow off the roof here. All I could really do is try to get as much as I could reach. The roof canopy is not made of chicken wire, it's not metal. It's just a really strong plastic. And I didn't want to risk hitting it with a shovel or anything, because it's been bitter cold out here. I figured this would it's all just complete ice, and it would just rip or cut the mesh. So as you can see, we've got about, I don't know, there's probably like 1,000 pounds of ice sitting on top of here. Hundreds of pounds at least. But the roof is held up really strong, but we need a support pole right here. I don't know. Can you see the bend? She's dipping hard here. And I've already measured it. It's about 72 inches from there to the ground. Hopefully, I'm going to cut it a little longer at about 73 inches and try to jam it under there to try to lift this up if possible. We're doing it at nighttime as the snow falls, before too much snow accumulates on top and completely crushes the roof right in. Before we do that though, I was out here an hour or two ago, and it seemed like the three female ducks were all laying eggs. It looked like that anyway. One was in the nesting box, and the others were in their spot. One was down. Did you lay an egg over there? No? Are you just still hanging out there? No egg? My young hen, Maggie, who wants to be a mother, so she's gone broody. We got everybody's favorite girl, the mean one. If you know a name, throw a name in the comment. We got to come up with a good name for her. Right now I just call her Bitey. And the broody hen is back out here just for an update. She did not take to going in the house. No egg. Okay, there was a duck. Oh, there we go. We got a duck egg. So yeah, good thing we came out here now. It's so cold out here. It's about negative 15 Celsius right now. They say it feels like negative 21. Yeah, so she's gonna lay an egg in that little spot right there, I believe. That's her spot. Normally we get one in the nesting box there. We've got one egg for now, and doesn't appear that it's completely frozen and cracked yet. I try not to let any of them freeze completely. I'm gonna run and put this in the house really quickly, and then we'll get back to work. See you in a minute. All right, we're back out here. Oh wow, that is frozen. Look at that. The wood's just chipping right apart. Won't even, look at that. Wow. Won't even just hold the axe. Holy hatchet, I guess I should say. Can't get the hatchet to stick in the wood. Look at it, just blows holes right in it. Wood is frozen. But we'll leave that there. We got the little husky. We've got to find a good down tree. Got a tape measure in my pocket. Like I said, I've got my brightest headlamp on. Hopefully you can see what's going on. So we're looking for a down tree to find a 73-inch pole. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is all very temporary. Is that the right pole? It's okay. It just doesn't. We can do better. Here we are. These are working better. All right, I think that. Oh, boy, that is not the straightest pole in the world either. Doesn't need much cleaning up though. Really doesn't need a whole lot of cleaning up. You can try it. I think we're gonna try that. All right, I've got to sit you up on a tripod. I'll be right back. Let's go try it out. Let's go try it out. All right. We are back with the support pole. Is it too long? Can't get it anywhere near. And look how unbelievably not straight it is. But we're gonna try to jam it in there anyway. So only got to be there for, well, at most I think maybe a month. Actually, we're going to clean this off a little bit first. All right. Working. All right, now we're kind of jammed up. It just hit the little crease of this cross beam here. Doesn't want to go any further. The good thing is it might just hold it the way it is. It's pretty good. Oh, we got it. All right. That is actually on there pretty good. Friction fit. She is a tight friction fit, and it's probably the crookedest pole you've ever seen, but it is doing the job. Takes all the weight and pressure off the roof there, and I think it will do the job in the meantime. It is freezing. My fingers are absolutely numb. I've had to keep taking my glove off to mess with the camera and a couple other things here. Okay, that's gonna go on there instead. I gotta go warm my fingers up. Oh, that hurts. The fingers are completely numb. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna go warm those up by the fire. Say hi, gang. There, the cats, no, there are no dummies over there. You cats know where to be on a night like tonight, don't ya? Hey, boy. All right. We'll be back. We'll catch you in a bit. Update. It's like 5 minutes later, and my fingers, those two and those three, and my thumb actually, not my pinky, but those 4 fingers and those 2 fingers there, it feels like I hit them with the hammer or the hatchet out there. They are just ringing with a different type of pain that I'm not used to. I do not like the cold. For the record, the cold sucks. There's nothing good about it. If you like the cold, you're crazy. I'm just putting that out there. Comment in the comment section if you like the cold or not. But if you like the cold, I don't know what is the matter with you.